If you're trying to improve your customer support in 2025 going into 2026, there are two tools you're sure to come across: Tidio and Zendesk. Both offer live chat, automation, and AI features, but they are not built for the same type of businesses or budget. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing Tidio versus Zendesk, what they do, how they differ, pricing, and which one is best for your type of business. Now, let's dive in. Kick things off, what is Tidio? Tidio is a live chat and AI customer service platform aimed mainly at small and medium-sized businesses, especially e-commerce brands. It combines three core things in one place. First, a live chat widget for your website. Secondly, an AI agent called Lyro that can automatically answer a large portion of repetitive questions. And third, a lightweight help desk tool so you can manage conversations in one inbox. Tidio is actually used by over 300,000 businesses, and the pitch is simple: scale customer service without losing the human touch. And if we were to quickly talk about some key highlights when it comes onto Tidio: first, website live chat, email and social channel support. Secondly, Lyro AI agent that can resolve a large share of FAQs like order status, shipping, and basic product questions. And otherwise from that, they also offer a chatbot flow for abandoned carts, lead capture, and simple automation, and also integration with Shopify, WordPress, WooCommerce, Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, and more. I would say Tidio is best for small to mid-sized e-commerce stores and SMBs that want live chat plus AI without enterprise complexity. While on the other hand, what is Zendesk? Zendesk is a full customer service and support suite used by over 200,000 companies worldwide. It's not just live chat, it's an entire CX stack that can include ticketing system with help desk, messaging, and live chat, whether you're using web, mobile, or social. Also, email support, voice or phone support, and help center or knowledge base, AI agents, AI copilot, quality assurance, and workforce management. Think of Zendesk as the control center for all customer interactions across multiple channels, teams, and regions. And I would say that it is best for SaaS products, larger support teams, and scaling companies that need omnichannel support, advanced workflows, and enterprise features. If we were to quickly talk about the core differences of both platforms, when it comes onto Tidio, it is a live chat and AI chatbot and a lightweight help desk for small and mid-sized businesses with strong e-commerce features, while Zendesk, on the other hand, is an enterprise-ready customer service suite that centralizes chat, email, voice, tickets, and knowledge base with deep reporting and AI. If you mostly need website chat and basic automation, well, I would recommend you go with Tidio. While if you need a full-scale support operation across multiple channels and teams, Zendesk is built for that. Now let's compare their pricing. With Tidio, you can get started for completely free, and you can see that their monthly plan begins at $29 and it can go up to $749. While with Zendesk, on the other hand, you can also test it out for completely free, and their monthly plan begins at $25 and it can go up to $219. I would recommend you choose Tidio if you run a small to mid-sized e-commerce store or service business and your core needs are website live chat, basic ticketing, and AI to handle repetitive FAQs, for example shipping, order status, and simple support, or you like the idea of starting on a free plan then upgrading as your conversations grow. And if you want something that is simple to set up with direct integration into platforms like Shopify and WordPress, Tidio is ideal if you want to add modern chat plus AI to your site without rebuilding your entire support stack. While on the other hand, I would recommend you go with Zendesk if you're running a growing or enterprise support team and need a centralized system for email, chat, phone, and social. Or you are serious about features like SLAs and advanced routing, multiple help centers or brands, and need deep analytics, QA, and workforce management, or you run large teams, roles, and permissions, and you want to build your entire customer service operation around a single proven platform. Zendesk makes the most sense if customer support is mission critical. You can have multiple agents and you are ready to invest in a full CX suite. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative.